When we think of calm, we often picture green forests, warm sand, and sunlight on stone. What if that same grounding energy could live inside our homes? Today, I'm exploring khaki, nature's most soothing neutral, and how its tones transform our emotional landscape. Light khakis, like Sherwin-Williams relaxed khaki or Benjamin Moore Grant beige, bring openness and clarity. These tones reflect light beautifully. They make small spaces feel breathable and calm. Mid-tone khakis, such as universal khaki or Alexandria beige, carry balance. They create a nurturing environment that encourages conversation and calm focus, perfect for living or dining areas. Deep khakis, like Pharaoh and Ball Jitney or Sherwin-Williams Studio Clay, ground the spirit. These tones feel protective. They create the calm cocoon we need in bedrooms, reading corners, or meditation spaces. Khaki reflects the earth, quiet, grounded, and peaceful. Calm lives in soft tones and simple textures. If this inspired you, subscribe for more holistic design and color therapy tips. Let's create spaces that nurture mind, body, and soul together.